How do you prevent confidentiality breaches during employee mediation? Imagine sitting in a room where sensitive workplace issues are discussed openly, trusting that what you share stays private. That's the goal of confidentiality during employee mediation. But how do organizations make sure that trust isn't broken? First, setting up clear confidentiality agreements before the mediation starts is essential. These agreements should spell out exactly what information is confidential, how it can be used, and what happens if someone leaks it. Both the mediator and the parties involved need to understand and agree to these rules to create a safe space for honest conversations. Second, using a trained, neutral mediator is key. Certified mediators are skilled in keeping discussions private and staying impartial. They know how to handle sensitive topics without revealing information outside the process. Internal mediators without proper training might accidentally disclose details, so choosing the right professional makes a big difference. Third, access to mediation communications and materials should be tightly controlled. Only the involved parties and the mediator should see the documents or hear the discussions. Electronic records should be stored securely, with passwords and encryption if possible. This prevents unauthorized people from seeing confidential information. Fourth, holding mediation sessions in private, secure locations is a must. Whether it's a dedicated conference room or a quiet office, the setting should prevent eavesdropping. All participants should understand the importance of discretion and agree to keep the conversation confidential. Fifth, organizations should educate employees and managers about confidentiality obligations. Training sessions can clarify what is expected and explain the legal and organizational rules around privacy. When everyone understands the importance, they are more likely to respect the process. Sixth, if a confidentiality breach happens, it needs to be addressed quickly and properly. Sometimes breaches occur because of misunderstandings or carelessness. In those cases, clarifying the rules and reestablishing trust can resolve the issue. If the breach is intentional, disciplinary action or legal steps might be necessary. Finally, fostering a workplace culture that values trust and confidentiality helps prevent breaches altogether. When employees see that their privacy is respected and protected, they are more comfortable sharing openly during mediation. This culture supports transparency while safeguarding sensitive information. In summary, preventing confidentiality breaches during employee mediation involves clear agreements, professional mediators, restricted access, secure environments, employee education, prompt responses to breaches, and a culture of trust. These steps help keep the process safe, fair, and effective for everyone involved.